little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we turn ordinary paper into a canvas of cuteness and creativity. Today, we're going to draw something adorable, a cute apple with its own personality. Are you ready to bring this fruity friend to life? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's begin our fruity adventure. Start by drawing a simple, round apple on your paper. It's going to be as cute as can be. Now, let's add the finishing touches to our apple. Draw a stem on top and a leaf sprouting from it. Our apple is coming to life. To give our apple its own personality, let's draw two big and cute eyes. Now, add a friendly mouth and watch your apple transform into the cutest fruit in town.
Wow!
Let's make our cute apple stand out even more. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. See how it adds that extra touch of charm.
Cool!
Magic! And now, the most delightful part, coloring. Grab your color pens, and let's add some vibrant hues to our adorable apple. Bottle green for the leaf. Green for the stem. Red for the apple. Let's discuss these essential fruits worth knowing about. Apples are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients like fiber and vitamin C. With thousands of varieties available, each apple offers a unique flavor experience. They're not just tasty snacks, they're also associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and digestion. And pink for those cute eyes. Look at that!
Awesome!
You've created the most adorable apple friend. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more cute adventures, and share your fantastic artwork in the comments below. Are you ready to add some playful personality to our canvas? Grab your markers, because we're diving into the world of adorable tomatoes. Draw two circles with me. Simple, right? Now, let's add a touch of nature. Draw the sepal and stem of our tomatoes, giving them a home in the garden. Time to bring these tomatoes to life. Add some cute eyes, a little nose, and a friendly mouth. Let's give them a personality that will make them your new art buddies.
Wow!
And to make these tomatoes stand out, let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now they're ready to steal the show. Now, let's add a burst of color to our cute tomatoes. Are you ready to name some delightful hues? Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Pink color. Brown color. Red color. Although commonly mistaken for a vegetable, the tomato is technically a fruit and comes in various vibrant colors. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, tomatoes are linked to reduced risk of certain diseases. Their versatility in cooking makes them a staple ingredient in many cuisines worldwide. Ta-da! Our cute tomatoes are ready to add a touch of charm to your artistic garden. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Hello, little artists. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we're drawing a cute strawberry. Grab your markers because we're diving into the world of strawberries. Imagine the juiciest strawberry in your mind. Now, let's bring it to life on our canvas. Draw the shape of the strawberry, capturing its sweetness. Now, let's add some natural touches. Draw the sepal, the little green leaves at the top, and the pedicel, the stem that connects our strawberry to the plant. And for that extra touch of realism, let's draw some achenes, the tiny seeds that dot the surface of our strawberry. Now, let's give our strawberry a personality that's as sweet as it looks. Add cute eyes, a little nose, and a friendly mouth. Our strawberry is ready to charm. Let's make our adorable strawberry stand out even more.
Cool!
Make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker.
Awesome!
Now, here comes the fun part, adding a burst of color. Are you ready to name some delightful hues? Sky blue color. Green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Orange color. Red color. Despite being called berries, strawberries are actually aggregate fruits, with their seeds on the outside. Bursting with vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants, they're not only delicious, but also nutritious. Originally a hybrid of wild species, strawberries are now grown in almost every corner of the globe. Our cute strawberry is ready to be plucked right off the canvas. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Bye for now, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.